According to the Bible, there are several events that will occur in the end times. Some of these events include the rapture of the church 1, the rise of the Antichrist 1, the tribulation 1, the battle of Gog and Magog 1, the abomination of desolation 1, the battle of Armageddon 1, the judgment of the nations 1, and the binding of Satan. The rapture is an event that many Christians believe will happen before the tribulation period. It is described as a time when Christ will come back and take all believers to heaven with him. This event is mentioned in several places in the Bible, including 1 Thessalonians 4:16-17, which says, "For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first. Then we which are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds, to meet the Lord in the air, and so shall we ever be with the Lord." The rise of the Antichrist is an event described in the Bible where a figure known as the Antichrist will appear on earth. This figure is often described as being the opposite of Christ and is sometimes referred to as the son of Satan 1. The Antichrist is mentioned several times in the Bible, including in 1 John 2:22, which says, "Who is the liar but the one who denies that Jesus is the Christ? This is the Antichrist, the one who denies the Father and the Son." 2. And in 1 John 4:3, which says, "And every spirit that does not confess Jesus is not from God. This is the spirit of the Antichrist, of which you have heard that it is coming, and now it is already in the world." There are several signs mentioned in the Bible that are believed to indicate the end times. Some of these signs include deception and false prophets 1, famine and hunger 1, natural disasters 1, the spread of new diseases 2, and war and disputes among nations 3. These signs are mentioned in several places in the Bible, including in Matthew 24, where Jesus discusses the end times with his disciples.